Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today let us see how to use psyllium husk powder for weight loss, its benefits and the popular way to consume it. Let us begin. Psyllium is a type of fiber that you get from the husk of the Plantago ovata plant seeds. It is a common laxative which is helpful for the heart and the pancreas. Thus soaks up water in the gut by making the bowel movements very easy. It decreases flatulence and constipation, thus adding the same in your diet would improve digestion. Moreover, psyllium is a prebiotic that provides immunity, fights infection, reduces inflammation and maintains healthy tissues and cells. Now let us know how is psyllium beneficial to you. Regardless of regularizing the bowel movements, it also helps in softening the stool if you are drinking lots of water with the fiber. It is one of the easiest and handy methods to fight constipation. It also helps in preventing complicating ailments like the hemorrhoids and the anal fissures. Now let us see how is psyllium suitable for weight loss and the popular way to consume it. If you are intaking psyllium for consecutive 6 weeks regularly, it would reduce obesity and helps in lowering the cholesterol levels too. Besides, it also helps to reduce blood pressure, lowers the blood sugar levels and maintains a healthy balance of your body. Psyllium is readily available in powder or water form, capsules, granules or in the kind of liquid concentration. You need to follow the instructions on the packaging while including it as a medication to cure various ailments. Take 1 teaspoonful of whole psyllium husk powder and mix with at least 1 cup of water. Drink it immediately just after a meal. You may drink it 2 to 3 times in a day to lose weight. It is very important to drink plenty of water while you are taking psyllium husk powder. However, consult your physician before starting the intake of psyllium regularly in your diet. I hope you agree with me and include psyllium husk powder only in moderation for weight loss. Thank you.